Hey guys! The disruption the CAD industry has been waiting for is finally here. Is your CAD solution killing your cash flow? Would you get your product to market quicker if you get more designers in, but the cost of purchasing new CAD licenses is just too great? Finally, there is a solution that gives you the power of flexibility, as well as scalability without breaking the bank. We understand that the key to a successful business is cash flow, and now for the first time ever and exclusively available through AMP CAD CAM Solutions, you can get SOLIDWORKS or 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS in a monthly payment option. If having access to the best in market, 3D design tools, collaboration, revision control, and security is important to you, then have a look at 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS. If you are only interested in SOLIDWORKS without the awesome features of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we also have you covered. This offer is subject to a 12-month subscription contract and terms and conditions apply. This offer is only valid in South Africa and exclusively to AMP CAD CAM Solutions. Find out more by going to our website to see what other cool products and services we have to offer.